blown.
Oh, where did you get this?
Can you get it?
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 3 magic challenges you will always win. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go. All right, Brent, I have a challenge for you. You can win 20 bucks, okay? So the challenge is this. I have my AirPods here, and we take them out of the case and I'm gonna put them down on the table, okay? The challenge is this. You have to move both of the AirPods, right? But you can only touch one of them and you can't use the AirPod to touch the other AirPod, but they both have to move. Okay. And if you get it right, win 20 bucks. So give it a shot.
I can't move this earbud.
They both have to move, but you cannot touch that one to that one.
Right. Okay, all right.
Should also say you can't blow on it or anything like that. Like, you know.
Yeah, right. No, so no outside force has to be moved with this. Can I throw it at it?
No, you can't throw it at it. Yeah, you can't throw it at it. You can't touch this one to that one, but they both have to. It's tough. It's a tough challenge. It's one I invented
for 20 bucks.
Yep, 20 bucks, man. If you get it right.
It's awesome records.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a time clock on it and give you 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You give up. All right, I'm gonna show you the secret right now. So check this out. You take this one. You're only touching one of them. You put it down here on the table. Watch. You move it like this.
Oh man, my mind is blown. That's crazy, right?
All right, Brent, this is the bag of flour challenge. So it's kind of like an endurance challenge. This is 5 pounds of flour, and you wouldn't think it'd be that heavy, but once you're holding it above your head for a long time, you hold it above your head like this, the clock starts as soon as you get it above your head, and the challenge is who can hold it up the longest. Winner gets 100 bucks.
100 smackers.
Think you can beat me?
I'm pretty confident I can beat you.
Really?
Yeah, 5 pound
All right.
bag of flour over
You want to go
my
first?
head. Yeah, sure.
All
I'll go
right.
first.
Give it a shot. Clock starts when you start. Okay,
All right.
Clock is started.
Let's go.
Clock
Let's just get it going. It's supposed to be some kind of difficult thing. I don't understand.
You won, dude.
Yeah.
Good job.
Big winner.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, it's snowing.
See if you can open this. It is like super on there. I can't get it off.
Oh my god.
Can you get it?
Oh my god.
I know.
No.
It's crazy.
I
It's
cannot.
like impossible. Hey, Eric. See if you can open this jar of pickles.
Sure.
It is really stuck.
Oh, yeah, it is.
I can't get it.
Oh!
It's really on there.
Oh, where did you get this? Oh, that's... Oh, I can't.
Hey, Brent, can you open this jar of pickles? It's,
Sure can.
like super stuck, bro. Can you get it? You can't get it?
No, it's not.
I'm serious. Like, can you open it? For real, I can't get it.
Yeah, no, I can't open it either.
Try one more time.
Yep.
All right, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal the secrets. The secrets to these challenges are extremely simple, and I'll teach you how they're done right now. So this is actually a little trick that I just discovered organically. My AirPods were just sitting on the counter one day, and as I moved one closer to the other one moved. So there's magnets built into these so that when you put them back in the case, they pop back into place and they magnetize into it. So the magnets that are built into them are opposing poles, and when you put them close to each other, they will move. So you can challenge people, see if they can make both of them move without touching. Or you can do it as a little trick and just make them magically move. You could put a magnet like below the table and make both of them move, but it might mess up the airport. So obviously this one is kind of like a rigged challenge where it's more of a prank. You're not really even competing to see who can hold it above their head the longest. As soon as the person holds it above their head, you sneak around behind them, or you have somebody else come up with a scissor or a pocket knife, something like that, and just cut the bottom of the bag. You can also do this with a bag of sand or a bag of sugar, anything like that that will easily spill out of the bag as soon as you cut it.
Results speak for themselves.
Thanks for being a good sport. And if you're making an action movie, this is the perfect opportunity to... Okay, here is the secret to winning this jar of pickles challenge. Every single time you can challenge your friends and family. You got a strong guy around, thinks he's, you know, super tough. You take your jar lid right here, take your super glue. You gotta make sure it's dry. You don't want any pickle juice on there. You're just gonna run some super glue right around the edge of this jar lid. Now, once you have the super glue applied, you're going to put the jar lid back on and tighten it much as you can. Now, once the lid is in place, let it set so that the super glue bonds. Now that you've waited a bit and the glue is bonded, the jar lid should be almost impossible to remove. So you can go around and challenge people, see if they can open it, and have a good laugh as they struggle to open the impossible jar.
Man, my mind is blown.
Oh, where did you get this?
Oh my god.
Ah! Can you get it? Alright, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. We have a lot more Magic Challenge videos like this. Be sure to check out the link in the description. Also, be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is our online shop. You can pick up all of our merch, Laugh at Life gear, and a lot of great magic gifts for the holidays. We're dropping a new product every Friday, so be sure to go check out the stuff that dropped yesterday. That is the Magic Instant House of Cards and a bunch of new Magic themed plushes, stuffed animals. And it is giveaway time. In honor of our new merch drop, I'm giving away 3 Magic card castles and 3 each of our new Magic plushes. 2 comments in the comment section down below, so be sure to leave a comment on the video and hit the thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed to EvanEraTV. Quick announcement, our fan mail box is filling up and we are going to do a fan mail video very soon. If you want to get featured in our next fan mail video, send your fan mail to this address right here, EvanEraTV at P.O. Box 943, Crestwood, Kentucky 40014, USA. Make sure you postmark it correctly. You can send your products if you're a company and you want to get your products featured in our videos. We will happily show off your product. We might even do a magic trick with it. And if you're a fan, you wanted to send me something, I read every piece of fan mail that we get. So send your fan mail to this address right here if you want to get featured in our next video. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How to Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. To claim your prize, send an email with your full mailing address to this email address on the screen. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.